to be quite blunt in your forecast today, dear Cancer. And here we go. Every part of someone else that you're trying to change, fix, and improve are the parts of yourself that you haven't given room to breathe. Now, how do we look at this? How do we see this? For example, you may be in the business of coaching or something of that nature, in the business of helping and therapy and that sort of stuff. As an example, you could be doing it in many different ways. It doesn't have to be a paid role, okay? You do it so lovingly and kindly, and you want to see that person or certain people rise, of course, and it's with beautiful intentions. I'm not saying that it's not. When you recognize, however, I have a need, because the truth is you have a need. I have a need for this person to grow. I have a need for this person to get it. I have a need for this person to transform. Of course, you don't tell yourself that. The truth is there is a need. What that gives you the opportunity for is to start to recognize what in yourself has been pushed down, what part of you and parts of you have been pushed down that require your energy and attention. And sometimes I would go as far as saying and questioning, why do I need this person to get it? What is it about me that I need this person to get it? These are questions that will be incredibly supportive if you're open to taking them in, because it's also, I understand that what I'm sharing can, for some Cancerians, be a bit of a, oh, that's not the case at all. I'm really just trying to help them and so on and so forth. I'm not suggesting that you're not. It's so difficult to put this in words because it can very easily be misconstrued. But let me put it this way. I do, my whole majority of my life has been facilitation work in terms of my business and my work. And it's taken me years to recognize, oh, what's the part of me I'm trying to heal by the need that I have for this person to awaken, the need that I have for this person to get it, to get how amazing they are, to get what they're capable of. What's the part of me? And once I started to question that and recognize it's not about this person, it's about the parts of me that have felt shut down and so on and so forth, or that I've shut down. Once I started to become more aware of that, the need for somebody else to get it started to fall away. And so the interaction then completely shifted.